In today's video, we will see how the function or formula of if works in Excel. We are going to cover this from basic to advanced. Over here we have got name of the students and their total marks. And we have to take out which all students are pass. So we will insert the function of if over here. Before inserting the function, I'll tell you one thing. In Excel, we use double inverted comma twice for blank. Now let's insert our function, and the criteria over here is marks above 45 is pass. I'll click over here and our formula will be plus or equal to if bracket open. We will click on total marks of first student. So the criteria is above 45. We will insert greater than 45, comma. We will put double inverted comma pass, double inverted comma close, comma. If it will be above 45, student will be pass, otherwise it will be blank. So we will put double inverted comma twice for blank. We will close the bracket and will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. So there is only one student whose marks is below 45. Now let's see another example. Over here we have got two criteria. Marks above 45 is pass and marks below 45 is fail. So we will click over here and will insert the function or formula of if plus or equal to if bracket open. We will click on total marks. If this is above 45, so we will put greater than 45, comma. If greater than 45, the criteria is pass. So we will put double inverted comma pass, double inverted comma close. Whatever text you are going to insert in if, you will have to put in double inverted commas, comma. If it will be below 45, it will be fail. So we will put double inverted comma fail, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Now we will drag this down. So one student is fail over here. If I'll change the marks over here, if I'll do it 25, enter, student got fail. Let's see another example. Over here also we have got two criteria. Marks above or equal to 45 is pass and marks below 45 is fail. Let's come over here, plus or equal to if bracket open, total marks is greater than or equal to 45, comma, double inverted comma pass. In last example we had seen greater than, but over here we are going to see greater than or equal to. So I'll put double inverted comma, comma, double inverted comma fail, double inverted comma close, bracket close. If the marks will be above or equal to 45, pass, otherwise the student is failed. I'll hit enter. Now I'll drag this down. So one student is fail over here. I'll put the marks as 45, and in 45 we can see pass. Over here I'll put 44 and it's showing fail. Let's see another example. In this example we will see nested if, and we have got two new criteria over here. Attendance above or equal to 50% is pass and attendance below 50% is fail. I'll click over here, plus or equal to if bracket open, attendance is smaller than 50%, comma, if it's below 50% it's fail. So we will put double inverted comma fail, double inverted comma close, comma, if bracket open. Over here we are using second if, so it got nested if. We will click on attendance percent is greater than or equal to 50%, comma, it's pass. So we will put double inverted comma pass, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. We got some error because we have used two if, but we have closed the bracket of only one if. So I'll do it no. We'll come in the end and we'll close the bracket once again. Just keep in mind, till your bracket doesn't get black, you have to keep on adding brackets. So over here our bracket got black. Now we will hit enter. And we haven't got any error this time. I'll drag this down. So one student is fail over here, whose attendance is only 35%. If I'll do this 45%, this student also got failed. If I'll do it 49%, this is fail. And if I'll do it 50%, this student is pass. Let's move to another example. Over here we are going to use if with and the criteria is marks should be above or equal to 45 is pass, and the second criteria is attendance above or equal to 50% is pass. So over here we are going to use two criterias. I'll click over here, plus or equal to, if, bracket open, we will put and, bracket open, we will click on total marks, is greater than or equal to 45, marks should be above 45, so this is our first criteria, comma, we will click on attendance percent. If attendance is greater than or equal to 50%, so I'll put 50%, we will close the bracket, comma, if both criteria are met, the candidate or student is pass, so we will put double inverted comma pass, double inverted comma close, comma, if the criteria is not met, student is fail, so we will put double inverted comma fail, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So over here one student is pass. Now we will drag this down. When I dragged it down, two students are fail because both the criteria are not getting met. First candidate is pass means Albert is pass, total marks is 55 and attendance is 55. If I'll do it 49, Albert got fail. Let's see another example. Over here we are going to see nested if and ifs. Over here we have got grades. Marks above or equal to 90 is A, marks between 70 to 89 is B, marks between 50 to 69 is C, and marks below 50 is D. I'll click over here. In the beginning we will see nested if, and the formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, logical test. So we will click on total marks is greater than or equal to, first criteria is above or equal to 90. So I'll type 90 over here, comma, if 90, grade is A, so I'll put double inverted comma A, double inverted comma close, comma, now we will put our second criteria, if, bracket open, total marks is greater than or equal to, marks between 70 to 89 is B, so we are going to take the minimum marks and that is 70, so I'll put 70 over here, comma, double inverted comma B, double inverted comma close, comma, we will use if for the third time, if, bracket open, we will click on total marks. Marks between 50 to 69 is C, so I'll put greater than or equal to 50, comma, double inverted comma C, double inverted comma close, comma, we will use if one more time, if, bracket open, we will click on total marks. If this is below 50, the grade is D, so I'll put smaller than 50, comma, the grade is D, so I'll put double inverted comma D, double inverted comma close, and I'll close the bracket till it doesn't get black. We got black bracket over here, now I'll hit enter, and the grade is C for the first student. I'll drag it down and we can see all the grades C, B, A, D. So this was nested if. Now we will use ifs, means if with S, and the formula or function will be plus or equal to ifs, bracket open, total marks is greater than or equal to 90, comma, it will be grade A, so I'll take double inverted comma A, double inverted comma close, comma, over here we are not going to type if or ifs again and again, so I'll click on total marks is greater than or equal to 70, comma, double inverted comma B, double inverted comma close, comma, we will click on total marks once again for the third criteria is greater than or equal to 50, comma, the grade will be C, so I'll put double inverted comma C, double inverted comma close, comma, one criteria is still pending and that is D, so we will put 1, comma, double inverted comma D, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. Over here I have closed bracket just for one time because we had opened bracket just in the very beginning. Now I'll hit enter, and over here we got grade C for the first candidate. Now I'll drag this down, and in both cases grades are same. In first scenario I had used if again and again, and that was nested if, and in second place I had used ifs just for the one time. Let's move to another example. Over here one criteria got increased, and that is if total marks and attendance is above 90% or 90, the candidate will be getting scholarship. So let's see what we are going to use over here, if or ifs. And over here we will have to use if with and. So the function or formula will be plus or equal to if, bracket open, logical test, I'll put and bracket open, logical 1, I'll click on total marks is greater than or equal to 90, comma, logical 2, I'll click on attendance. Attendance is greater than or equal to 90%, I'll close the bracket, comma, if both the criteria will be met, the candidate is eligible. So I'll put double inverted comma eligible, double inverted comma close, comma, if the criteria is not met, we want it blank. So I'll put double inverted comma twice for blank. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So for the first candidate, the criteria is not getting met. So it's blank. I'll drag this down. The spelling of eligible is wrong. I'll go over here on top and do it E, enter. I'll drag it down. So only 2 candidates are meeting the criteria. In case you don't want to show blank over here, just go to formula bar and just between 2 inverted commas type not eligible, enter. Just drag it down and we got not eligible and eligible. Let's see another example. Over here we have got 2 criteria. If the sales are above 50,000, employee will be getting mobile. And if the sales will be below 50,000, employee will be getting headphone. Let's change the criteria a little bit more. Do it sales above or equal to. So if the sales will be above or equal to 50,000, employee will be getting mobile. Let's put our function or formula over here. Plus or equal to if bracket open sales is greater than or equal to 50,000, comma, employee will be getting mobile. So I'll put double inverted comma mobile, double inverted comma close. And if it's not above or equal to 50,000, employee will be getting headphone. So I'll type double inverted comma headphone, double inverted comma close, bracket close, and we will hit enter. So the total sale of first employee was below 50,000 and the employee got headphone. I'll drag it down. Sale for second employee was above 50,000, so he got mobile. If I'll do it 50,000, enter, still the employee got mobile. And if I'll do it 49,000, employee got headphone. Let's see another example. Over here we will see SUMIF and COUNTIF, means if with sum and count. We have got 2 criteria, sale of individual items and number of times item got repeated. Over here we have got power bank and the sale is 28600. If I change it from here, laptop, we got the sale of laptop. How many times laptop got repeated? 3 times. Means over here we have got 3 times laptop. 1, 2 and 3. If I change the name, mouse, the sale got changed and item repeated got changed. Let's delete formulas from here. Over here we are going to use SUMIF and the function or formula will be plus or equal to SUMIF bracket open range. Our range is products. So we will select products from top to bottom, comma, criteria. What is our criteria? Our criteria is mouse. So I'll put double inverted comma mouse, double inverted comma close, comma, sum range. So total is our sum range. We will select from top to bottom. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. We got total sale of mouse. If I'll change it from here, I'll do it laptop and sale is not getting changed because we haven't connected total sales from the list or drop down. So we will go to formula bar. We'll delete mouse from here. We will delete mouse along with double inverted commas. And we'll click on top, means on item name. So now it got dynamic. We will hit enter. We got sale of laptop. Now I'll select mouse, sales got changed. Keyboard, sales are getting changed along with item names. Items repeated. For this we are going to use COUNTIF, means if along with count. Plus or equal to COUNTIF bracket open range. So our range is name of all the products, comma, criteria. This time we are not going to type criteria manually. We will click on top and it will be dynamic. We'll close the bracket and we'll hit enter. So keyboard got repeated 4 times. 1, 2, 3 and 4. Now whenever we will change the item name from top, laptop, both the things are getting changed. Means both the things got dynamic. Power bank is just 1 and that is over here. If is such a function or formula which gets used everywhere, or just say in maximum formats. Even I use if or ifs in maximum of my formats. I'll provide link of this file in description box. In case you want to download, you can. I'm sure you must have loved the video. Please don't forget to like, share and subscribe. See you soon with a new topic. Till then, bye bye.